single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get 2 very easy, very simple Thanksgiving looks. They're very quick and last minute, so yeah, let's get started. I'm priming my lid with ColourPop No Filter Concealer in medium 20. For this first look, I'm going to use the e.l.f. palette. This is their newest one in Modern Metal. And I'm going to go in with this yellow shade right here. And I'm going to put that in my crease. This is going to be a transition shade. Then I'm going in with this burnt orange shade. And I'm going to put this lower in my crease. Then to deepen it even more and add more dimension, I'm going to go in with the purple and put that as low as possible in my crease. Then I'm just going to take my finger and go in with this gold shade and put that all over my lid. Then I'm going to take the second lightest shade, put that on my inner corner, and on my brow bone. Today was the last day that I was dog sitting for my aunt, and I'm so sad. It went by so fast. It did not feel like 3 weeks at all. I'm gonna miss her so much. Though she literally follows me everywhere and I love it. I was cleaning the bathroom earlier and she was standing there while I was cleaning the bathroom the whole time, standing there peeking around the corner watching me clean the bathroom. And I took pictures. She like loves me most out of everybody and it makes me so happy. I think she can sense that I love animals, so like she just naturally gravitates towards me. For the second look, I'm gonna go in with this shade from the e.l.f. Mad for Matte Holy Smokes palette. Their quality is not that bad. Like, it's pretty good for how cheap it is. If I would suggest any drugstore brand, it would definitely be e.l.f. and Wet n Wild. They have some of the best quality makeup for the drugstore. Then I'm going to go in with this brown shade. This is the second lightest brown in the palette. Put that lower in the crease. Basically the same steps as this eye, just with different colors. Now I'm going to go in with the darkest brown in that e.l.f. palette and put that as low as possible in my crease. Keeping the shape pretty rounded. I'm going back and blending. So today is Thanksgiving. What are you guys most thankful for? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to know. Okay, from that same palette, I'm just going to take my finger and go in with that blue. And I'm going to pack that. Okay, so this lash brand sent me these lashes. This is from Rena Lashes. You can look them up on Instagram. The style I'm going to be wearing on my left eye are called Kiki. And the one I'm going to be wearing on my right are called Bella. This is what the Bellas look like. And this is what the Kikis look like. Wow, I love these lashes. I can't even feel them on my face. And they're so beautiful. I've been watching Vines lately. And the Vine I have stuck in my head right now is, if your name is Junior and you're really handsome, come on, raise your hand.
If your name is Junior and you're really handsome, come on, raise your hand.
Wow, I think I love these lashes. Wow. From far away, they don't look that different, but up close, they look so different. I don't know if you can see that. But these are a lot thicker and wispier, and these are thinner and longer and more about like length and not so much dimension. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest of my face and then I'll come back and yeah, finish off with you guys. Okay, now that I have both eyes done and my full face is done, I'm gonna go in with this Color Essence Lip Shine. This is in the color Scarlet. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please leave a like, show that love. It's so appreciated. And I hope you guys have a good Thanksgiving. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!